In the year of 2025, our Queen City witnessed one of the largest floods in modern history. As the daily commuters buzzed in and out of our city, water levels were rising faster than a Hunter Green fastball at Great American Ballpark. Built in 2012, Smale Park and its surrounding areas completely submerged. Paul Brown Stadium, home of the Cincinnati Bengals, survived the wrath, but Marion Way, not so lucky. And across the river, our neighbors to the south in Covington, Kentucky, received a full dose of flooding in their community. And as the floodwaters grew to the crest of 60.79 feet on April 7th, there standing tall, the greatest city in the Midwest, like a queen looking over her kingdom, Cincinnati, Ohio. As the floodwaters raged in intimidation, the citizens of this region are strong, they are resilient, and they will not back down.